Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are again on chapter number 15 from the book Awaken the Giant Within. So far, we have discovered that values are the personal compass guiding all our decisions, all our choices, all our emotions. We learned that values come in the form of moving towards value and also moving away values. है ना? Moving towards values वो होती हैं what we seek, like love, success, happiness, and moving away values वो होती हैं that we avoid, like rejection, fear, pain. ठीक है? We also explored how values conflict and lack of clarity creates confusion and self-sabotage. Today, we will go deeper into uncovering our current values and understanding what's truly most important in life. Okay? Let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read together. All right. How to discover your current values. So let's get started. You have done some sample value list by ranking the lists I gave you. What you really need to do is start fresh with your own list. All you have to do is to discover your values. To discover your values is answer one simple question. What's most important to me in life? Brainstorm the answer to this question. Is it peace of mind? Impact? Now put your values in order from most important to least important. Take a moment and do this now. All right. So let's do this right away without any delay so that at least 5 to 7 things that are most important to you in your life. Let's write that. Get your pen and paper and let's do this activity. तो हम क्या लिख रहे हैं? We are writing at least 10 things that are most important to me in life. Okay? In fact, एक काम करो, pause the recording here and start writing. Okay. I hope you have done. और अगर अपनी वैल्यूज लिख ली हैं तो आई होप आपने उसको ऑर्डर में भी कर दिया हो 1 to 10. I would have loved somebody to be in this room. I would love to read in the chat what are your number 1, 2, and 3 values. Put it in the chat and I'll revert back to you on that. Let's move forward. What's most important to me in life? When I first created my list of moving towards values, this is what I came with and the order in which they occurred. My old list of moving towards values was passion, love, freedom, contribution, being able, growth, achievement and accomplishment, happiness, fun, health, creativity. As I looked at my list, I understood why I was doing what I was doing. I was such an intense individual. By anybody's description, I was explosive in my approach. I saw it as my passion, my love for my family and my friends, and wanting to share it in seminars was clear. My desire was to free people, and I figured that if I freed the individuals around me and contributed to them, I would feel like I was able to do almost anything. I would grow and achieve and eventually have fun and be healthy and creative. Knowing my values list helped me stay on track and to live consistently with what was most important to me. For years, I felt a great sense of congruency in my life. But I was soon to make another distinction that would transform the quality of my life forever. This is what Tony Robbins has shared. Tony Robbins की life की ये list थी, and this is what helped him and helped him to achieve greater success, and also to know कि हाँ, coaching was the only space that he was wanting to be in, because that is something that happens with passion, with love, and it gives freedom. It is a way of beautiful contribution to the world, right? बट ही सेज कि कुछ तो बहुत ट्रांसफॉर्म होने वाला था अगर मैं आगे वाली चीज करने लगता. नाउ व्हाट इज इट अबाउट? चेंज योर वैल्यूज एंड चेंज योर लाइफ. What does Tony Robbins say on that? After my experience with the infamous Mr. Smith, I went to Fiji to get away from it all. I needed to balance myself emotionally and gain some perspective and clarity on the situation. Most importantly, I had to decide what I was going to do and how I was going to turn things around. The first night I was there, before I went to sleep, I asked myself a very important question. Instead of, why did all this happen to me? I began to ask a better question. What is the source of all human behavior? What makes people do what they do? This is such a powerful question. अगर आपकी लाइफ में कभी भी कहीं पे भी कुछ भी हो रहा है, आपको इमोशनल बैलेंस चाहिए. एक तो बोला जाता है कि स्टॉप आस्किंग गॉड व्हाई मी, बिकॉज जब हमारे को जब अच्छी बातें मिल रही थी, सुख मिल रहा होता है, जब हमारे को सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा हो रहा होता है हमारी लाइफ में, हम कभी तब नहीं पूछते हैं कि व्हाई मी, राइट? Likewise, Tony Robbins has shared that start asking yourself these two questions. Number one is, what is the source of human behavior, all human behavior, and what makes people do what they do? When I woke up in the following morning at 8 a.m., I felt a frenzy of ideas pouring through me. I grabbed my journal and began to write continuously, sitting in the main cabana. People walked in and out throughout the day as I wrote non-stop from 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. My arm was sore, my fingers were numb. I wasn't just thinking calmly and writing, the ideas were literally exploding through me. From this unstoppable river of ideas, I designed Destiny Technologies, and a good portion of the science of neuroassociative conditioning. When I went back to review my notes, however, I could not read a word, but the ideas and feelings were anchored within me. I immediately realized the potency of what I had created, a program that could help a person redesign the life priorities of their nervous system to literally redirect the process of how people make all their decisions about how to think, how to feel, and what to do in virtually every area of their lives. I began to think about what would happen instead of just teaching people what their values were and clarifying them. I actually got people to consciously select and redirect the order and content of their values hierarchy systems. What if I took someone whose number 1 value was security and whose number 15 value was adventure, and I switched the order, not only intellectually, but so that adventure became his highest priority in their nervous system? What kind of change do you think that might make in someone's life? A minor one or a major one? Absolutely a major shift will happen अगर आपकी 15th नंबर की प्रायोरिटी जो है वो नंबर 1 बन जाए, isn't it? और अगर नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी जो भी है वो हमारी नंबर 15 पे आ जाए, what a big shift will happen in life. Good afternoon, Madhalika. Thank you for joining in.
Good afternoon, Karishma.
The answer is obvious. By doing this, you literally change the way a person thinks, feels, and behaves in virtually every area of their life. I could not imagine a more profound shift that a human being could make. In a sense, this would be the kind of change that was being described throughout history. A conversion from Saul to Paul, if you will, with the things that a person hated most becoming the things they loved most, and vice versa. Could this really be done? I decided that the best person to test this out was, of course, myself. I began to look at my values list. At first, I thought my values are great. I love my values. After all, this is who I am. But I had to keep reminding myself that we are not our values. We are much more than our values. These values were not the result of intelligent choices and a master plan. What I had merely accomplished until now was discovering what priorities were conditioned into my life, and I had consciously chosen to live within the system of pain and pleasure that had been programmed into me. But if I were to really design my own life, if I were going to create a set of values that would shape the ultimate destiny desired, what would they need to be? We have made three, we have made the neither on heaven nor on earth, nor of earth, neither mortal nor immortal, so that this with freedom of choice and with honor, as though the maker and the molder of thyself, thou mayst fashion thyself in whatever shape thou shalt prefer. Thou shalt have the power out of thy soul's judgment to be reborn into the higher form which are divine. This is God's speech to Adam from Pico della Mirandola, Oration of the Dignity of a Man. That was long. बेसिकली भगवान ये बोल रहा है कि हमको हमारी पास पावर है टू मोल्ड आवर लाइफ, टू डिजाइन आवर लाइफ एंड बी द हायर वर्जन ऑफ ourselves. Yes. I felt unbelievably inspired as I began to realize that in this movement, I was about to make decisions that would change the direction of my life forever. I began to look at my values and ask the question, what do my values need to be in order to create my ultimate destiny? In order to be the best person I could possibly be, in order to have the largest impact in my lifetime. I thought, the values I have right now are helping me. But then I thought, what other values would I need to add? I began to realize that one of the things that wasn't on my list was intelligence. Certainly, I was an intelligent person, but I had not made being intelligent as high a priority as being passionate. In fact, in my passion, I had made some pretty stupid choices, including who my CEO was going to be. I began to realize that unless I made intelligence a conscious priority on my nervous system, that is, unless I learned to take a moment or two in advance to consciously evaluate the consequences of my decision making, I would continuously fail to achieve my deepest desires. There was now no question that intelligence needed to be placed high on my list. I then discovered that an additional series of values to add, and I decided where they needed to be placed in my hierarchy. Madhulika, since you have joined a little late, in the previous pages, Tony Robbins has shared his own values. And in fact, towards the beginning of this session, we have sat and we have written at least 10 values जो हमारी खुद की हैं, the most important things to me in my life. हमारे को पहले, इससे पहले जब हमने एक दिन किया था, जब आप आए थे, तब हमने वैल्यूज करी थी एज पर टोनी रॉबिन्स के सेशंस में जो लोगों ने बोला है. वी रेटेड देम 1 to 10, राइट? तो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज, हमारे को एक्चुअल में हमारी लाइफ में सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्या लगता है वो लिखना है. एंड देन वी हैव टू रेट देम फ्रॉम 1 to 10 एज वेल. फर्दर टोनी रॉबिन्स इज शेयरिंग कि हमारे को हमारा बेस्ट वर्जन बनने के लिए वी हैव टू नो कि क्या यही वैल्यूज फुल्ली equipped हैं कि we need some other values to be introduced in that system, in that list. ठीक है? And of course, हमारी जो अभी current reality है is because of the values we have right now. But if we want to be at another level, I think we cannot go there being the same person. For that, we need to shift ourselves. We need to shift our identity. And identity shifts when the values shift. Right? Are you there on the same page with me now? Cool.
Yes.
Next, I began to evaluate each individually as to this true merit. I began to ask, what benefits do I get by having this value in this position on my hierarchy? I looked first at passion and asked, what benefit do I get by having passion here? I thought it gives me drive and excitement and energy and the power to impact people in a positive ways. It makes my life juicy. Then I asked a question that kind of scared me, a question I had never asked before. What could having passion at the top of my list cost me? In that moment, the answer became obvious. I had just recently returned from conducting a seminar at Denver where, for the first time in the year, I had felt unbelievably ill. Health was always on my value list. It was important, but it wasn't very high up on the list. By the way, if you have anything on your value list, you think it's important because there are hundreds of things that could have been on the list that aren't. But my idea of health was to eat right. I was not exercising and I certainly was not getting enough rest. Finally, my body was giving out under my constant demands of unlimited energy. I began to remember that in that day, when I felt like I had no health, I pushed myself and did the seminars in spite of it all. But I did not feel passionate. I didn't feel loving. I didn't feel like I could have impact. I began to realize that by having passion as the highest value on my list, it could cause me to burn out and therefore potentially cost me the very destiny I was pursuing. I finally asked the last question: in what order do my values need to be to achieve my ultimate destiny? Not what's important to me, but what do they need to be? As I began to do this process, my list began to evolve until it looked like this. Before I read about the list, yes. हमारी लाइफ में हमारे को we need to ask questions. हमारी अगर list ready है, we took a small pause in between to write the list of our values. And अगर हमारी list ready है, तो I want you to ask these questions to yourself. Number one question that you need to ask is, what could, कहाँ गया? What could having passion on the top of my list cost me? ये तो second question था. What benefits do I get by having this value in this position on my hierarchy? पहले benefits लिखने हैं, फिर वो हमारे को क्या cost करने वाला है वो लिखना है, and last में उसके बाद हमारे को क्या पूछना है? Last question was कि does it need to be in the same space? एंड लास्ट में हमारे को ये भी देखना है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन व्हाट ऑर्डर ऑफ माय वैल्यूज डू value need to be to achieve the ultimate destiny? In what order do my values need to be to achieve my ultimate destiny? 3-4 questions हैं, इसको लिख लो so that when you sit with your values, जो आपकी actual में values हैं, तो you can ask these questions and उसके बाद Tony Robbins is obviously going to share with us कि actually हमारे को करना क्या है to move these values up and down. My new list of moving towards values were health and vitality, love and warmth, intelligence, cheerfulness, honesty, passion, gratefulness, fun and happiness, making a difference, mm, learning, growing, achieving, being the best, investing, contribution, and creativity. This list is so different from the earlier list. जो earlier list थी उसके अंदर Tony Robbins said his first was passion, then love, freedom, contribution, being able, growth, achievement, accomplishment, happiness, fun, health and creativity. And यहाँ पर एकदम इसका opposite हो चुका है. Health and vitality comes first, then comes love and warmth, intelligence, cheerfulness, honesty, passion, gratefulness, fun and happiness, making a difference, learning, growing, achieving, being the best, investing, contribution, and creativity. These shifts may look subtle to you, but they were profound in their emotional impact upon me. Just creating this new list of life priorities created some intense fear and struggle at times. Probably the most difficult one was changing the order that I had between achievement and happiness. देखें जरा achievement and happiness. If you recall, on my previous list, I had to feel passion, love, freedom, contribution, being able, growth, and achievement, and a lower priority was feeling happy. I began to think, what would happen if I made happiness a priority? What would happen if I made that a higher priority than achieving? Quite honestly, this was another question that created fear in me. I thought, if it is easy for me to feel happy, maybe I will lose my drive. Maybe I won't want to achieve. Maybe I won't want to have the same impact. Maybe I won't contribute as much to people. After all, I linked my identity to my capacity to passionately make a difference. It took me almost 2 hours to make the decision to go for the gusto and decide to make myself happy. How ridiculous. But I can tell you, having worked with tens of thousands of people in Date with Destiny, of whom the majority of attendees would consider achievers, this is one of the biggest fears they have. They generally fear that they will lose their power and drive if they feel happy first. I'm here to tell you that what happened in my life is that instead of achieving to be happy, I began to happily achieve. And the difference in the quality of my life is so profound that it is beyond verbal description. I did not lose my drive. Quite conversely, I felt so good, I wanted to do even more. When my first list was complete, I felt an emotion that I could not ever remember feeling previously, a sense of calm. I felt a sense of certainty I had not experienced before because I now knew that every part of me was going to be pulled in the direction of my dreams. I was no longer in a tug of war with myself. By no longer striving constantly for freedom, I could have even more intimacy and love. I could feel even more free. I would happily achieve now. I would be healthy and vital and intelligent. With the decision to change my life's priorities, I could immediately feel the changes in my physical body. Good है, अच्छी बात है, but I'm still waiting to understand how to change these priorities. I'm still waiting to read that. I also then began to realize that there were certain emotional states that I must avoid indulging in if I was going to succeed. One of those clearly was worry. I found myself emotionally and physically racked by pain of trying to figure out how I was going to keep my company going and keep the doors open. At the time, I believed that if I worried, maybe I would be more motivated. But what I found was that worry made me less resourceful. So I decided I could not worry anymore. I could have legitimate concerns, but not more importantly, I could focus on taking the actions that would make things work. Once I decided worry would destroy my destiny, I began to avoid experiencing it at all costs. Clearly, this became an emotion too painful to indulge in. I began to construct a moving away from list. Okay. I then flew back to the United States, having designed my own destiny. Boy, were my friends and associates in for a surprise. On my first day back at the office, people started approaching me to ask, "What happened to you? You seem so different. You look so relaxed." I began to unload my entire new technology for hours at a time on each individual until finally I realized I needed to take it, refine it, and put it in a seminar. That's how Date with Destiny was born. I wrote this book out of my desire to spread the Destiny NAC technology to as many people as possible. I hope you will use it now. Remember, we truly can design who we become. Moving away वाली जो values है ना, that are also equally important. As much as moving towards values are important, moving away values are equally important. Madhulika, since you have not attended last few sessions, moving towards values are the pleasures we want to have, and moving away values are the ones that we want to stay away from, the emotions, the stress, disappointments, failures जिनसे हम दूर रहना चाहते हैं. तो there was a very beautiful example shared in this that wherein अगर आपका security is one of your highest values, go to values, moving towards values, and मूविंग अवे वैल्यू जो है आपकी, उसके अंदर नंबर वन है, क्या कहते हैं इसको, सिक्योरिटी नहीं, इट्स समथिंग, मतलब ऑपोजिट है दोनों. एक अचीवमेंट कह रहा है और दूसरा कह रहा है रेस्ट, या फिर एक अचीवमेंट कह रहा है एंड मूविंग अवे कह रहा है एंजाइटी, या फिर अनकंफर्ट डिस्कंफर्ट. मूविंग अवे डिस्कंफर्ट है एंड मूविंग टूवर्ड्स इज सक्सेस. तो इज इट पॉसिबल कि आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो? नहीं, बिकॉज सक्सेस लाइज इन द अनकंफर्टेबल जोन. यू हैव टू गेट अनसक्सेसफुल, एंड दैट इज वाई जब मूविंग अवे वाली जो है और जब मूविंग टूवर्ड्स वाली जो है, जब वो बीच में ऐसे करती है, डग ऑफ वॉर क्रिएट कर देती है, दैट इज व्हेन वी फील स्टक एंड सेल्फ सैबोटेज. That was a very interesting part that we read yesterday. एक बार उसकी recordings जाके check करना. I think I have not even uploaded it. I'll upload it today. हाँ, इसके steps हम कल पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि steps पढ़ेंगे तो उसको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा अच्छे से बात करेंगे उसके बारे में. But before we move, before we end this session, tell me, what do you have in your mind on what we have read today? Any thoughts on it?
I still need to go to the previous recordings and then I'll be able to join the dots. But yes, this is in the entire, this is about the values that the value that is at the topmost priority that will derive and define our life, right? And it depends on what values if it is something that comes at the bottom. Say, for example, if for someone rest is at the bottom, that person will be an workaholic,
Yes,
right? For him, if a workaholic, if you talk to him, for him, family will not come first. Always his work will come first,
absolutely.
right? So if for someone, cleanliness is
Hmm.
the topmost priority. So for that person, he'll invest money, he'll invest time, he'll invest labor only in cleanliness. That no, I need hygiene. That is my topmost priority.
Yes.
We all, I think, the uh, till today, as I know you, the person is, we all prioritize hygiene, but at not that level that every day, each book rack, each tube light, each fan, each dabba, that should be clean. Yes, we prioritize that our kitchen shelf, our the food that we are eating, the water that we are drinking, clothes, bathing, the washroom, that should be neat and clean. That every day our house is being the dusting and all that stuff is going on, but we cannot clean every nook and corner each day. We are not that finicky. But I have someone in my life, my cousin sister, she is that finicky. She will uh, dust her fans, her AC, all her windows, all her doors, all the kitchen ke dabbas. She'll dust them all. Even she has round shape cutting of cardboards, and she keep it above on the top of the dabba so that the dabba doesn't get there shouldn't be no dust. there
Wow.
there are people, the moment the pressure get released from the pressure cooker, she'll make sure it within next 2 minutes it should be cleaned. Then only it will be silver white from inside.
Oh,
Otherwise, there will be yellow, you know, marks.
मुझे तो ये बात भी नहीं पता है.
There are people who are finicky they are very particular for this.
Oh.
Maybe it may go to another extent also, but I know only this much. This is the extreme for me.
एंड
If
सोचने की बात ये है ना कि इसके लिए फिर रेस्ट करना कितना मुश्किल है.
exactly. So
तो
that is
हर
why
लाइफ विल बी सो एग्जॉस्टिंग. अरे छोड़ना ही नहीं है,
she is
सफाई
suffering
तो इज
from back
समथिंग.
pain.
हाय राम, मतलब एवरी डे शी विल बी ब्रूमिंग हर वॉल्स एज वेल, क्योंकि मिट्टी भी हर रोज उड़
Yes,
रही है.
yes, yes. She has a long duster and she always does this. Dusting means walls, all this, that, the tube lights, fan,
हाँ.
stabilizers,
आई एम ग्लैड माई
almiras.
हस्बैंड इज नॉट लाइक दैट.
So
नहीं रब्बा, शुक्र है,
that is why
शुक्र है,
she's
शुक्र
suffering
है.
from back pain. Maybe there could be another reasons also,
Yes.
but I think this is one of the most prominent reason. That's why she's suffering from back pain, because one is she is doing all this exercise daily. Second is she is cutting off her resting time.
हम्म.
1 मिनट के अंदर अंदर कुकर खाली होके वो धुल जाना चाहिए. मैंने बोला, और अगर ये काले रंग का खरीदा होता तो तूने तो वी हैव फ्यूचरा ब्लैक कलर.
हाँ, मेरा भी ब्लैक है.
हाँ, फ्यूचरा इज ब्लैक कलर.
हाँ.
आई सेड, मैंने कहा मैं तो सॉर्टेड हूँ, मेरा तो मैंने तो खरीदा
मेरा
ही
तो येलो
काले
हो ही नहीं
रंग
सकता,
का.
ब्लैक है. वाह यार.
But people are who are that finicky.
People live their values.
Yes, they live their values. Nothing but the values that, yes, I will be a good housewife if I'm doing this. I'll be a good mom if I do this. That is what our values are, the way we were discussing last night. These are our values only. That no, to be a good this thing, daughter-in-law or maybe a good housewife, you have to be attentive. You cannot sleep. कि घर में अभी सफाई नहीं हुई है और आप सो रहे हो.
हाँ,
माय प्रेगनेंसी टाइम, करिश्मा, आई यूज टू सी कि कोई देख तो नहीं रहा, और मुझे इतने नशे होते थे सोने के, मुझे इतने नशे होते थे सोने के कि मैं ना झूठ बोलती थी कि मैं थोड़ी सी अंदर कमरे में, अपने कमरे में सफाई कर रही हूँ, कुछ दराज साफ कर रही हूँ, और चाहे मुझे कुंडी लगा के 10 मिनट सोने को मिले, मैं कुंडी लगा के 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट मैं ऐसे सोती थी. और फिर जैसे ही थोड़ी सी आवाज होती थी तो वही जैसे द सेम थिंग दैट यू टोल्ड यस्टरडे, आई यूज्ड टू ओपन एंड सामान में पहले ही बाहर निकाल के फैला देती थी कि लगे कि हाँ समेट ही रही हूँ. चाहे मुझे वही सामान, वही 4 डब्बे मुझे रोज निकाल के बाहर रखने थे, रोज निकाल के वापस रखने थे. बट दिस इज द वे आई यूज्ड टू डू. यस, क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में वैल्यूज वही थी कि वैल्यूज तो तभी, आप तो तभी अच्छे रहोगे जब आप ये सब काम बहुत अच्छे से करोगे.
सही बात. गुड. चलो, कल समझते हैं द स्टेप्स. स्टेप्स किस बारे में है ये भी पढ़ लूं एक बार. स्टेप्स हैं. So how can you now take control of the third element, the master system known as values? Take the following 2 simple steps. ठीक है, अपने मास्टर सिस्टम को चार्ज लेने के लिए. All right. Thank you, Madhulika, for joining in, sharing briefly what you understood. And I'm looking forward to have you tomorrow as well. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Thank you.